Ditch the scheduling chaos and say hello to effortless appointment booking with Calendly. First, head over to Calendly.com and sign up for a free account. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you'll see different event types. These are the core of Calendly. Click on New Event Type to create your first one. Give your event a clear name, like 30-minute consultation. Set the duration, say 30 minutes, and add a location. This could be a Zoom link, phone call, or in-person meeting. Now define your availability. Specify the days and times you're free for appointments. You can even set custom schedules for different days. Pro tip under advanced settings. Adjust the buffer time between appointments to give yourself a breather. Personalize your event by adding questions for your invitees. This helps you gather important information upfront. Think things like, what are your goals for this meeting? With your event set up, it's time to share your link. You can copy it directly from Calendly or embed it on your website. Calendly integrates seamlessly with other platforms like Google Calendar, Zoom, and more. Connect these to automatically add events to your calendar and generate meeting links. When someone clicks your link, they'll see your available time slots and can easily schedule a meeting that works for both of you. And that's it. Calendly handles the rest, sending confirmations and reminders so you can focus on what matters most. Start streamlining your schedule today.